And today, the women recruits have completed about 9 weeks of training, and the confidence level you would have already seen the level of confidence what they exhibit today and what we have. So I am confident that they will be able to pass out in the given time frame of 61 weeks, and the results are positive.
The prince spent a day with these fearless young women who say they are inspired from a plaque inside their campus which says, "Don't say why me, just say try me." Dressed exactly like their male colleagues, their long hair now replaced by the army crew cut, they say they were willing to make the sacrifice for the cause of gender equality.
मैंने खुद से ज्वाइन किया डिफेंस करियर। मेरा सपना था कि मैं डिफेंस से रिलेटेड जॉब करूं। सो मैं ये पहली भर्ती थी, सो ये हिस्ट्रिकल भी भर्ती थी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, क्योंकि ये पहली भर्ती थी तो मैं चाहती थी मैं ये भर्ती देखूं और मेरा सिलेक्शन हुई। मैं बहुत खुश हुई और मेरा सपना था और सपना पूरा भी हुआ। हाँ, ट्रेनिंग है तो मुश्किल तो होगा ही, बट मैनेज हमें करना है, तभी तो हम मजबूत होंगे और दुश्मनों का सामना कर पाएंगे।
My father is in Assam Rifles, and the first batch in Assam Rifles 2015 the girls were selected in Assam Rifles, and then my father inspired me, you should have to join the Indian Army. He inspired me, then and the second one is the passionate for the combat dress. I'm very passionate for combat dress. I have to wear the combat dress.
You have to wear the combat dress. All right. Let me ask you something. Since you talked about dressing, it's interesting when I've been looking at all of you. You all have to dress like the men. Your crew cut also is similar. Does it make you feel different because you need to cut? Women, they adore their hair. You need to cut it and you need to maintain it. How does it feel when you have to dress that way specifically for the army?
पहले जब हम आए थे हमारे भी हेयर्स बड़े बड़े थे और यहाँ पे हमारी कटिंग करवाई गई। पहले तो हमें थोड़ा फील हुआ कि हमारी हेयर कट, लेकिन अब हमें ट्रेनिंग में पता चल रहा है कि हमारी हेयर क्यों कट किए गए। हमें लड़कों के बराबर दिखाने के लिए हेयर कट किए गए हैं, ताकि हम खुद को फील कर सके कि हम भी लड़कों जैसे मजबूत बन सकते हैं। इसलिए अब हमें भी अच्छा लगता है कि हमारा हेयर कट हुआ है, और अब हम हफ्ते का वेट करते हैं कि किस दिन हमारे हेयर कट हो और हमें फ्री फील हो।
There is no difference in training between a male and a female recruit. The only difference is variation in timings, that too in run, that's all. So otherwise rest or complete training is it's going side by side. Weapon training is same for women recruits, male recruits, even the drill is same for everybody. So from our side there is no difference. The only difference which we face is